How's it going, everybody? This is Sean over here at Cruising Classics. Today we're doing a video on this 1988 Chevy Ramp truck. As you can see, we're doing it outside because this girl is so big she doesn't fit in the showroom. Nice rust-free body. This truck is powered by a 454 big block with a turbo 400 behind it. Motor is fresh. You'll see this 19-foot long Hodges bed. Polished aluminum wheels with new Transforce tires. Diamond plate steel floor. It's got built-in LED lights in the floor. You got binders. Hitch in the rear if you want to hook a trailer up to it with more LED lights in the back. Doors in the side of the bed to hide all your goodies in there. Your winches, your ratchet straps, chain binders, whatever you'd like. As you can see, it's got some stops up here up front, some wheel chocks. The hitch up front is actually so you can slide a winch into it with a 2-inch receiver. You'll see the binders, diamond plate front headache rack with built-in LED lights, CB antennas. This is an extended cab truck. It is only a 2-door. Nice red bucket seat interior. Power windows, power locks. Runs excellent. It is carbureted. Hit the key, runs that easy. Truck has been repainted. What we would call a nice driver quality paint job. Very healthy big block, Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum intake, AC, Hydro Boost brakes. That way you don't have to worry about vacuum. Truck runs and drives excellent. Does great on the highway. If you got any questions, give us a call at 614-276-7355. We do have companies that finance. This is a perfect hot rod hauler, race car hauler. These trucks are getting hard to find. These beds are right around a $10,000 bed to have it installed. A little over $5,000 worth of work done to the motor. That alone right there is the majority of your price. Almost get the truck for free. Very solid truck. You guys want any more close-up pictures? Any short videos of anything you see? Be more than happy to do that. Once again, 614-276-7355. Give us a shout. We can put this Chevrolet in your driveway.